In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 57 by 2 using the long division method. To do this, at first we'll write down the numbers 57 and 2 in this fashion. Now consider the number 5. We know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this 7 here. And we know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 1. Again this 1 is less than 2. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 57 divided by 2 is equal to 28.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.